Let's debunk another psych myth. Today, the marshmallow experiment and the concept of innate self-control. See, about 50 years ago, researchers did what we call the marshmallow experiment, where they would give kids a marshmallow and then say, you can either eat this now, or if you prefer, you can wait a few minutes and I will bring you a second marshmallow. Different kids would wait different amounts of time, and that amount of time was thought to represent the child's innate biological ability to manage themselves, to have self-control. Longer time meant more self-control. But recent research has called this into some serious question. First, about a decade ago, the University of Rochester did a wonderful experiment where they first made reliable and unreliable conditions in the experimental area, where kids were in one situation reliably given some new toys to play with, and in the other one not, some crayons. And in the reliable condition, kids waited many minutes longer than for the marshmallow afterward than the kids who were in the unreliable condition, meaning that how much you see the current circumstances as reliable plays a huge role in your decision whether or not to self-control or wait. And this year, CU Boulder released another new study, again calling this into question by looking at the impact of culture on the outcomes of the experiment, and did the experiment with different things, so toys or food or gifts, and found that the cultural lessons learned by the child also played a huge role in what the child would or would not wait for, where different cultures with different priorities played a bigger role than, again, any sort of innate self-control. So the marshmallow experiment is not particularly useful in telling us very much at all about self-control, and self-control, more importantly, does not appear to be innate as much as learned, culturally developed, and specific to the circumstance in question.